Hello and welcome to Bell CB. Please excuse my voice. I've had the flu and now I've lost my voice from coughing. Today we're looking at the Galaxy 98 VHP. This is a tune-up report for Sal in Washington. Sal, this is what we got. 100 watts across the top of here. That's 20. That's 40. That's 60. I'm inside there. Here we go. Right about 50 watts all the way up. Just turn it all the way down. Turn the right way. We got about 5 watts. I'm going to put it on 10 watt scale now. There's 5 watts. Yeah, almost. Okay. 50 carrier, 250 watt slug, all the way across the top, 10, 150, 200. Okay, let's do that again. UPS guy had to connect.
Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio.
Oh, yes, let's go.
Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio.
What awful voice for doing radio checks.
Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check.
Alright. God, I didn't expect me to remember that speaker, did you?
Breaker 19 for radio check. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Even though my voice sounds like hell, I still get out. Audio.